Today I'm going to be talking about the importance of an effective latch. A good latch is key for breastfeeding success as it will help the baby get more milk and make breastfeeding more comfortable for both mom and baby. How a baby latches is crucial for the breastfeeding process. For an effective latch, a baby needs to take more than just the nipple in his mouth. He needs to open his mouth nice and wide to get far enough onto the breast that his lower jaw and tongue can massage the pools of milk that lie in the lower part of the areola. If a baby just sucks on the nipple, it is as though he is using a pacifier without drawing any milk out. This will also cause pain for mom, as instead of massaging the breast, the baby's tongue will be rubbing against the nipple. A baby well latched will have his chin touching the mother's breast. His nose will be free and lower lip will be hidden. The mother's areola will be more visible above the baby's mouth than below, and you will notice the baby's jaw dropping during sucks and swallows. Signs of an insufficient latch are dimples in the baby's cheek, fast, shallow sucks, a pinched nipple, and pain during breastfeeding. Pain is a definite sign that something is wrong and that your baby is not latching sufficiently. I'm going to pull up a picture of what a sufficient latch looks like. So over here, we have a well-latched baby where you can see his mouth is nice and wide, his lips are flared, his chin is touching his mother's breast, and you can see the nipple is at the optimal point there that's highlighted in the baby's mouth. So it's nice and far, and the baby will be massaging the area around the areola and not just the nipple, which will cause pain for the mother. If you're experiencing any pain or discomfort during breastfeeding, I advise you to please seek professional help as soon as possible so that somebody can help you make breastfeeding a pain-free and enjoyable experience.